Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a new site on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, once you sign up for WordPress and once you create an account, you'll be brought to this here screen, or rather you might be even directly put into one of your websites. It might automatically create a website for you. However, if you already have websites, you'll be here on your dashboard and you'll be in your sites menu. Once you're here to create a new site, you just click add new site, and now you can start actually creating it. Now it's gonna ask you to choose domains, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use some domain. For example, Sitekit. It is within my selection, and as you can see, I have this free one, which is the default one that you can select. So I'll just select that one, click continue. And you can also choose your domain later, but let's say that this is the domain that I want. I'll click start with free, and after you select those, it's going to open up your new site. You can choose any of these options that you want to help WordPress build your site automatically for you. However, I'll just skip immediately to the dashboard. Whatever you select, it'll create a new site. However, this is where you're going to be. This is what your site dashboard is going to look like, and from here it's up to you to go ahead and change all the options that you want and to manage everything that you need. And that is basically it. Now you have your site, you can change it however you want, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.